Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing about variables, and in the previous tutorial we saw how to create variables. Today in this tutorial we'll talk about variables in depth. Variable is actually a reference to a specific location in computer memory where the actual data resides. So when we create a variable, what Python will do is it will create a Python object, and this Python object contains three fields, that is type, value and reference count. If I take this as the computer memory, when we create a variable, a Python object is created in the computer memory at some address, and if that object takes only one block of memory, then our variable stores the address of that object. If data needs more than one block of memory, then our variable points to the starting address of that object. For example, x equal to 500. When we create a variable, Python creates an object in computer's memory. Type of object is set to integer, and the value of object is set to 500, and a name x is created and set to point object, and the reference count is set to 1. X is a name, refers to 500, right? That is why reference count is 1. So when a variable is created, first Python will create an object, and type of that object will be set to be integer because 500 is an integer value here. Value is set to be 500, and x, a name is created and it will point to the object, and then reference count will be set to 1. Let's take another example. Here I'll take my variable as string, so text equal to hello. So Python will create an object in the computer memory at some address, and type is set to string here, value is hello, and name text is created and it will point to the object, and reference count will be set to 1. Okay. Next, what if I assign same values to the different variables? For example, I'll take x equal to 100 and I'll take y equal to 100. We are assigning 100 to both x and y, right? What will happen whether both x and y refers same object or different object? To do this, you can check the ID of x and y. ID of x is this, ID of y is this. So this is same, right? ID of x and y are same. That means both the name x and y refers the same object. Both are pointing to the same object. Then let's take another example. I'll take x equal to 500 and y equal to 500. Let's take ID of x and y now. It is different. Here both x and y are not pointing to the same object but different object. Why? When value is 100, both the names points to the same object. But if value is 500, both the names are pointing to the different objects. Why? It is because in the Python it is observed that smaller integers in the range of -5 to 256 are used very frequently as compared to other longer integers. So Python interpreter use the technique of pre-allocating a range of integer to increase the program efficiency. So when you use values from -5 to 256, when you assign these values to different variables, all the names will point to the same object to increase the program efficiency. But if the number is out of this range, like 500, then it will create different objects and the names points to the different object. Okay, so here you can see the picture. Here when x is 100 and y is 100, you can see. When a is 500 and b is 500, you can see the picture. Alright, to increase the efficiency of the program, Python pre-allocates the memory for the numbers from -5 to 256. And you want to see how it actually works, you can get reference count and you can see that. So first import sys, and if you use help function on that, here you can see the explanation. Okay, if you check the reference count when value is 500, here you can see 2. We'll get one more. The count returned is generally one higher than you might expect, okay, because it includes the temporary reference. So here you can see reference count is this, because whenever you are assigning the value 100, all the names will refer the same object. So internally maybe 100 is used many times. That's why we can see this reference count. Alright, so next, what if I assign a variable to another variable? In Python, when you assign a variable to another, you are essentially creating a reference to the same object in memory. Like both variables point to the same data, but if you modify the data of one variable, it may affect the another variable. That is, if I take x equal to 100 and if I take y equal to x, here I'm assigning variable x to y, right? Then both x and y points to the same object, and here you can see like this, x and y. If you are using integer, float, string, simple data types, these are immutables. So when you modify a variable, it will create the new object. Both a and b refers 100. But what if I change the a value? I'll change the b value. Now there is no reference to 100, right? Reference count becomes 0. So Python will free that memory if reference count is 0. But instead of 100 here, integer, if you are using any mutable types like list, dictionaries, then if you do changes to the one variable like this, it may affect the another variable also. And here you can see that, right? And next, you can assign same value for multiple variables in the single line. To do that, and assign a value like this. Now if I check A, B, C, ID of A and B and C will be same because all three names refers the same object. True. Alright, so this is about variables. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.